Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I would like to show you how to change the background colour in HTML. To start, you will only need something like a notepad. What you want to do is show you are using HTML by putting two inequality signs, and inside of them put HTML in, and then another after that with a forward slash before HTML. Now in between them put body, and with it put style equals speech marks background dash colour colon, and then the colour you want and end speech. I am using an editor which allows us to put colour names, but you may have to use colour codes. I will leave a link to find out colour codes in the description. Now, just end the body part. Now when you run it, the background will be the colour you selected. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel. I have also just recently started a Patreon for people who want to support the channel. Being a patron gives access to GitHub files for every upload from now, and more depending on what tier you get. Thank you for watching, and bye.